Looking for a healthy smoothie or craving a cool fruit treat? Get ready for quick and tasty recipes. Welcome back to our simple home. The first recipe is a healthy fruit smoothie. We make this healthy smoothie every morning. It gives us lots of energy to start the day. I use 3 medium-sized apples. I cut them in fourths and remove the core. I cut the apples into smaller pieces and put them in my kitchen machine. I cut 1 finger thick slice of the pineapple. I peel the pineapple slice, cut it in pieces and put it in the kitchen machine. I add 3 peeled bananas. 1 cup of frozen or fresh berry mix and 2 cups of frozen or fresh strawberries. I cut the oranges into halves and squeeze out the orange juice. I mix all the fruit in my kitchen machine to a fine puree. I add the orange juice. It turns out to be 1 cup or 1 1/4 cup of orange juice. 2 1/2 cup of water. We use warm water, but you also can use cold water. If you prefer, you can use less water for a thicker consistency. After I gave it another mix, the juice or smoothie is ready to pour in. This recipe is enough for about 6 of those glasses. For the first popsicle recipe, I used the smoothie to make fruit smoothie popsicles. I fill in the molds with the smoothie and put in the popsicle sticks. I freeze those popsicles about 4 to 6 hours. For the second popsicle recipe, I use 2 frozen or fresh bananas, 2 cups of frozen or fresh strawberries, 1 cup or can of coconut cream. I mix everything in my kitchen machine to have a nice creamy consistency. Doesn't this look delicious? I fill in the ice cream into the popsicle molds. In go the popsicle sticks. I try to get the air bubbles out. I fill the rest of the ice cream into ice cream bowls. Decorate the ice cream with some blueberries and some strawberries, and my kids enjoyed the ice cream right away. For the third popsicle recipe, I use 1 banana, 1 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup or 8 to 10 blackberries. I mix everything smooth and creamy. Pour into the popsicle molds. Stick in the popsicle sticks. And into the freezer go the blueberry popsicles. The fourth recipe are mango popsicles. I use 2 bananas cut into pieces, 1 finger-sized slice of a pineapple. I peel the pineapple slice and cut also into pieces. I mix it a little bit so I have more space for the mango. I peel the mango. Cut the mango into pieces. I mix it until I get a smooth and creamy consistency. I fill the exotic cream into the popsicle molds. Try to remove the air bubbles and put in the popsicle sticks. I fill the rest of the exotic cream into little bowls, decorate it with some blueberries, and my kids enjoyed it right away. Recipe number 5, whole fruit popsicle. I fill in some blueberries and some strawberry slices into the molds. You can also use whatever fruit you prefer. All those recipes are without sugar added and they are healthy, and everyone in the family can enjoy them. I top it off with some coconut water, put the sticks in, and off it goes into the freezer. Was one of the recipes your favorite? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my content, please like, subscribe, and share with others.